We love dragons.
Why? They're monsters. I found this in the attic. How come you never told us the truth about dragons?
But we did. Dragons are wonderful. They're our friends.
Tell me this. Are they giant?
Well, yeah.
Breathe fire?
I suppose so.
There he is. A night fury.
Nope. Just Dad and Sue. Dad? Hi.